What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I received this package earlier today, and I picked these shoes up off of the SNKRS app about 2 days ago. But real quick, before I get into the shoes, one thing I wanted to point out was this whole new shipping packaging that Nike's doing. To me, it's pretty dumb. It's a dead giveaway to what's inside the box. Before they started doing this, it was a more discreet way of how they were shipping their packages. Before, it was just like a blank shipping box, and it had, of course, the white stripe tape on here. And for those who buy Nikes, most of us are. Once we see the tape, we know what's inside of the box. And if you didn't know, then you wouldn't know what's inside of the box. But now everybody knows what's inside of the package because Nike, for some reason, wants to put this big bold swoosh on the side of the box, which is a dead giveaway. I'm pretty sure it's gonna increase the rate of people's packages being stolen. I definitely don't want to deal with that because
ain't nobody got time for that.
Yeah, it's pretty sure somebody's gonna get their package stolen. Hopefully Nike just throws this whole thing away and goes back to what they were originally doing with their packaging, how they were having it more discreet. But yeah, I just wanted to get that out the way. And yeah, let's get into the shoes. All right, so we have the Nike receipt. I'm not gonna show that. Just take the box out. So we have a white Jordan box, and on the size tag, it is a 10.5 women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High, and retail is $160. And on the colorway, we have black, and university red. Let's take a look at the shoes. We have a card here, Nike Uptown with a rose on it. And on the back of the card, it says, "Everyone will tell you that you can't do it until you do." Yep. So let's take a look at the shoes. So these are the Rox Brown Air Jordan 1s. And for those of you that don't know, Rox Brown is a celebrity stylist. Honestly, before the release, I didn't really know who she was either. I'm gonna be honest, I had to look up who she was. But it's becoming more common that Jordan Brand's starting to do collaborations with other people outside of just athletes. Of course, we had Laylee May. She's a stylist that also did a collaboration not too long ago, which also has another collaboration coming up soon. But these dropped on Wednesday. These did sell out online. There was another model, I think it was a Jester Air Force One or something like that. I think those are still sitting online. But these did sell out, and even though they did sell out, you can still get them for a reasonable price on StockX. But I just wanted to show this shoe because I don't really see anybody doing any review on them. It might be one up by now, but either way, let's get into the shoe. So it's a pretty straightforward shoe. It's all black, but there are different materials on the shoe. So on the toe box, we have it's not a satin, it's more so of like a neoprene material. It's on the toe box and it runs up onto the tongue. On the tongue, we have a rose with a Nike swoosh going through it, and also on the back of the shoe, on the heel, features that same rose, which looks like I think it's embossed onto the shoe. On the side of the shoe, underneath the swoosh, on the side panel, we have the same neoprene material. And then on the swoosh itself and also up the uppers, it looks like a 3M leather. From my understanding, this whole shoe lights up. So later on, I will show you guys how the shoes look when the 3M is active. Let's see, on the inside, we have a blacked out insole with Nike Air and white. And then we have black laces and silver anklet tips. So yeah, it's a pretty straightforward shoe. Nothing really to it. But either way, nonetheless, it's still dope to see Jordan Brand doing collaborations out of the ordinary, and for showing some love towards the women, because a lot of times, as far as release, men get most of the attention. So yeah, it's good to see the women get this shoe. I will probably be just I'm not gonna keep this shoe. I just let them go on StockX or something. Like I said, I just want to do a review on them because most people probably want to see how they look before they buy them. So that about does it for the video. Real quick, tomorrow the Doernbecher collection is dropping at Nike locations, which is technically today when you're watching the video. I'm recording it Friday, but you will see this video on Saturday. So if I'm able to manage to get my hands on any of the pairs, I will be bringing you guys a review on those no later than probably Monday. I might be able to get it up on Sunday, but I'm going to be aiming towards Monday to get you guys that review. But anyways, that about does it for the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.